It's really happening. And of course, by it, I mean Halloween Horror Nights. Any other year that wouldn't be that significant of a thing. But after we went through last year, with the cancellation of it, it's pretty awesome. The festivities officially begin on September 3rd. But as for today is the official grand opening of the Halloween Horror Nights 2021 Tribute Store. And obviously, being opening day of this, we're here to check it out.
I would like to buy this one.
And we are headed on in. Here's this first room. HHN Bear confirmed as an icon. We got a very cool Ringer shirt with, looks like Chucky, Frankenstein, and Jack the Clown. Good amalgamation of all things scary at Horror Nights. Also, once again, Magic Candle Company is working closely with the Tribute Store, which is awesome. This one is called Dark Cider Spells. Time to head on into the second room. Big old portrait of Jack the Clown on the wall here. Looks like some furniture and possibly some stories containing the icons. I'm digging the vibe. I'm really digging the vibe of this one. This one really went all out with the icons. The icons of Horror Nights. Like I've mentioned before, if you don't know the story of the icons of Horror Nights, now is your time to look up the backstories and get learning. Because this year, all of the icons are back. Not one, not two, all of them. As for the merchandise in this room, we have a long sleeve t-shirt, which is weirdly both creepy and adorable at the same time. We also have a collectible pin set and matching magnet set. We also have an Icons string bag, and they are in fact bringing back the collectible glasses, which are very, very cool. We also have a shot glass set with all of the icons. Also says 30 years, 30 fears. That's actually pretty exciting. Might have to pick that one up. I'm also a big fan of these. The Studio Screamers is what they're calling them. They're vinyl figures, but they're also a mystery pack. You can get Jack the Clown, Chance, a lot of the icons, Chucky, Universal Monsters are going into it. And honestly, they're adorable. Each one runs at $18, and Gillman is the limited edition. Oh. But I'm not exactly feeling lucky enough to pick up one of those and get the Gillman, so maybe not there. So let's make it down this hallway and head on into the next room, shall we? Alright, I gotta admit, aesthetic alone, this one is my favorite room so far. Oh my goodness. It's no mystery to anyone that I'm a giant Beetlejuice fan. Do I need this? I don't know if I need this, but I kind of want it. There's also a Beetlejuice glass, which is very tempting. That might be the creepiest little doll I've ever seen, but a part of me's tempted to buy it. So it looks like this is the last room, also the treat room, but it also looks like the line starts way back here. We're gonna try. The Beating Heart Gummies return. They return to Halloween Horror Nights. And to this day, I've never bought one. I'm not gonna lie. I've heard they're decent, but I've never had one. We also have all of these delicious looking snacks. Time to head on out. This year's Tribute Store looks awesome. Big fan. I'll do a haul later though, because right now we have got to get over to Islands of Adventure. Why? Because just a few weeks ago, on Friday the 13th, they opened up a tribute store of their own. And it's called the Hallows Eve Boutique. And let me tell you, It's a lot more chill than the one across the street, who is currently going under pass holder previews. Sing a song of Halloween, pumpkins everywhere, cats and bats and witches are flying through the air. All right. The vibe of this one is less Halloween Horror Nights and just classic Halloween, which is very cool to have the connection between the two. The flashing pumpkins all over the walls. The giant hearse and casket in the middle of the room. And tarot card t-shirts are really, really putting me in the Halloween spirit, and it's not even September. Once again, Magic Candle Company and Candles are working very closely with Universal to make some very unique scents. And I gotta say, it smells fantastic in here. They're also selling Halloween-themed coffee, or as they call it, burial grounds, siren song, and zombie dirt. Also Shrieking Toad. Actually, I really want to try that one. But the other thing I'm actually very tempted to pick up is their collection of hot sauces. Ghost Tonic, Key Lime, and a Habanero. They also have a good selection of Halloween Horror Nights merch. So if you're not able to make it into the tribute store for whatever reason, you could still definitely pick up a good amount of Halloween Horror Nights 30 merch. Including this shirt, which is actually really, really awesome. And that shirt might have been in the Halloween Horror Nights tribute store, but I didn't see it there. So each one of the tribute stores, well, the tribute store and the other store, both had their own unique feeling to them, and which was really, really insane, really, really awesome. My favorite of the two, not shockingly, is the tribute store, but that All Hallows Eve store is interesting and unique, and like the tribute store is where I would send you if you want Halloween Horror Nights merchandise. But that All Hallows Eve store, if you're gearing up for Halloween, that is the place to go, and it smells so good. Or heck, if you're looking for Magic Candle Company candles, that's the place to go. But the question is, between the two stores, what did I end up picking up? Well, I got this, which I'm actually very excited about. This is a gift for somebody. I won't show that off, but it's a gift. This one's for me though. I got this, which is a pass holder exclusive string bag. It's got these zipper pockets, and it feels like a really good material. I'm just really excited to use this. I'll put my camera stuff in it. I'll put my other stuff in it when I go on rides. It's just super, super cool. I also got this here multicolored Beetlejuice popcorn. I don't know. Could be interesting. Is it flavored? I don't really know. Just, it called out to me. And the treat line in the tribute store was a little bit too crazy for my taste as well. So, for now, I'll go home and I'll eat probably this entire bag in one sitting. Also, you guys know I'm going pretty nuts on pins recently. I got the pass holder exclusive Frankenstein pen. And the last thing I picked up, I couldn't resist it. I got the, wow, she wrapped it up very nicely, wow. Key Lime Jalapeno Hot Sauce. Looks delicious. Much as I love spicy food, I didn't really have any hot sauce around the house. I had a bottle of buffalo sauce, but you know, that can only go so far. So yeah, it's gonna be nice to put some jalapenos and some lime on everything. Oh my god, that's gonna be so good for taco night. Taco Tuesdays, here we come. I got all of that, and I kept it under 100 bucks. Barely. I'm thinking it might be time to head out before I spend too much. Subscribe down below for weekend adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single gosh darn episode. And we'll see you guys next time.